Hi guys, welcome to next video. Today I am going to explain about PowerShell. PowerShell is a command line or a scripting language designed for Windows administrators to handle their IT tasks. I will show you how to open PowerShell. You can open PowerShell from taskbar or start menu. This is the PowerShell interface. So I will execute one basic command, ps version table. The ps version table command will return PowerShell version and other details. There is one more PowerShell called PowerShell Integrated Server, PowerShell Integrated Scripting Environment. So we can open it by searching PowerShell. Windows PowerShell ISE. This is the interface, and there are three sections. The first one is PowerShell console and the scripting file, command modules. Here you can execute your commands. I will execute one basic command, get help. This command will return the output of how to execute a command with this parameter. I will show you one more command, get hotfix. This command will list the pending updates for your system. I hope you guys understand about PowerShell basics. Thank you for watching.